Romansisk Autonomous Okrug Ugra is included into the 5 of the Russian regions which are most provided with forest raw resources. Stocks of ripe wood make here more than a 4.5% from the all-Russian level. Timber industry complex occupies an important position in the economy of the autonomous region. Over the last 10 years, the contribution of forest sector to a gross product of the Russian Federation was reduced by a third, and its huge economic potential remains almost unrealized. The state program of the autonomous area is aimed at the solution of this task of forestry development calculated till 2020. One of these directions is technological and administrative modernization of the enterprises of timber processing complex, which will allow to increase production outputs and to increase profitability. In a word, our program is a complex. It will allow to increase the development on one worker to 3.2 million rubles. It is very high level. It will allow to appear more than 300 high-performance workplaces and thereby to make the forestry more effective and more attractive. The state program provides increase of the industry average development on one worker to 3.2 million rubles by 2020. That almost twice will exceed an existing indicator. It will be created 300 new high-performance workplaces. Profitability of the organizations will increase to 5% and the specific weight of the profitable organizations in total number to 60%. Income from use of the woods enlisted in federal and regional budget will also grow. Today, in the timber processing complex of Ugra, 130 organizations and individual entrepreneurs carry out a production activity. One of the leading players in the timber and woodworking industry market of the district and Russia is Ugra Timber Holding, specialized in a full production cycle which includes preparation, removal, sawing up and deprocessing of timber, transportation of finished products. The structure of holding includes the companies Ugra Transservice, sawing plants of Ugra, the LVL Ugra plant, which produce vinyl lumber and frame and panel construction for low-rise buildings, and LVL Stroyprojekt, the enterprise which independently carries out buildings of houses in the territory of the autonomous area on frame and panel technology. The Development Holding Program of 2017. The volume of investment according to this program provides about 1.7 billion rubles, specifically on positions: logging 608 million rubles, sawing production 700 million rubles, production of plywood 310 billion rubles. One of the large investment projects realized in the sphere of the forests industry of the district is the creation of the enterprise for production of quality wood shaving plates in Sovietsky district. In 2013, the second stage of the project comes to the end. Therefore, the capacity of an operating plant will be increased from 150 to 265,000 cubic meters of production in a year. Today, the products of the Ugra Plate Company are in a high demand, and sales geography extends from central Russia to southern Sakhalin. In the long term, the building of new facilities is planned on the platform Ugra Plate. Increase of specific weight of timber processing complex in a total amount of their gross regional product is a strategically important task for Ugra. At the same time, solving a problem of diversification of regional economy. Investments in the timber industry will be directed on the modernization of the operating enterprises and construction of the new ones, and also on the development of forestry transport infrastructure. The total volume of investments in the fixed capital will make about 14 billion rubles from 2013 to 2030.